Very good， 你脑子很清楚。That's wrong. Is it B flat major or G minor? Not D major. Two flats, two sharps, D major and B minor, right? Two flats, G flat major and G minor. The B flat major. That's wrong. Okay, that's actually. You get it? So you just put it in the wrong place. Okay. Okay, that's good. This one need to redo. OK， 因为这个不怪你，这个不是这样的，这可能里面有一点对，对呢 ，just lucky. It's not really understand. So I'll go work on this later. And the C to A is six. C D E F G A 6, not 7. Okay. This one they already designed for you. Okay. So this one not designed for you. You had to figure out. So this one you have. Okay, B is, where's the B? That's B's right. Okay. C, 2, 3, after, 4, on the down. Okay, this one reduce. Okay, I'm teach you later. B flat major. Got it? And A major, C minor, F major. That's wrong. That's wrong. Did you count? Did you count? Count on the keyboard? Did you count 4 plus 5, 5 plus 4? Did you count? Do you know what I'm talking about? Did you counting? That's a, no, if you don't count, you will get it wrong. You must count. Okay. When you do the test, they will give you a piece of the keyboard. You need to look and count. One. Okay, now we keep it going. Do you have hope? Can do 3 pages fine for you or too much?
It's fine.
Fine, okay. Now we're talking about this one. This one you have the. Okay, I teach you how to find this one. First one, because you're going to put all the sign too, so you don't know how to put the sign. This one they designed for you. Okay, look the perfect 5. Okay, perfect 5. For C major, perfect 5. So which note to which note? Tell me. C major. If C major, perfect 5. C to G, right? Okay, so you can go in count. Whole step. You see the whole step? 2 whole step, 3 whole step, and a half step, right? So 1 whole step, 2 whole step, 3 whole step, and a half step. So it's supposed to be 3 and a half. Okay, so we check. So whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. Oh, that's right. Don't need to do anything. Okay, now go this one right because of the sample. And this one go to third. Tell me how many whole step, how many half step. Now from C major, 1, 2, just 2 whole step, right? Okay, 2 whole step. Then you check this one. Are they 2 whole step? Can you check starting? 1, 2 whole step. That's not whole step. So what should I do? You put the F sharp. Do you understand now? Okay, do this one now. Okay, so you check the C2. Okay. No, C2 what? C2, okay, C major, what is it? C major like a ruler. Okay, which note to do which notes? Tell me. 7. No, do you know 7 is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 2. Okay, got it, right? Okay. Yeah, then 1, 2, 3. No, 3. Then 4. 4. Where's the 4? 3. 4. 4. Then 5 and a half. You understand it? Do one more time. Do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 and a half, right? Now you start a G. Are these 5 and a half? 1, 2. Yeah, whole step. 3. What's the whole step? 3 and that's whole step. Huh? Do you know whole step means? They have a 1 note in between. Like this one have a 1 note in between whole step. 1 note in between. Doesn't matter wide or black. It must be a 1 note in between. Try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and a half step. Half. Yes. So you need a what? What do you need? You last one here, right? So what need to write down?
Sure.
Yes. Can you write down? Okay, I need you do one more. I'm not sure you understand that. Do you understand it? No? Okay, do this one 6. What the 6 is it? Okay, on the C major. Don't look at the book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. To which note? Yeah. Tell me how many whole step, how many whole step and a half step? And do again, counting. 4 and a half. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. Okay, write down 4 and a half. You should go flexion.
才开始吧。
OK， 那你怎么写知道啊 ？OK， 然后你现在这个试试看，是不是 4 and a half？ Can you try? Is that 4 and a half? Start E. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. So what do you need to change or don't need? Okay. Do you understand now? Okay. 所以你都跑到那个 get to the C major first. That's like a ruler, very easy to find. Then see matching or not. If you're not matching, you need to change the sign. Do you get it now? Okay. So this one you have to. This is pretty useful. Must be in your test. Must be. This one just can count. Okay. You 4 plus 5. This is 4 plus 5. Tell me. Yes or no? No. So this just need a very simple count. Okay. Do you know how to get this one? How to get it that one?
考评。
你帮他的？还
我
是
没帮他，我不会。
OK，那你不是这个不是很好吗？这个是 this minus 4 5 right? Diminish is 4 4. Okay, you just try how to make a 4 4 here. Okay, let's move the bench, and then you have the one hand play on the keyboard. Then you can know what you're talking about. Yes. What is it? Okay, you need to count. Don't guess. Yeah. So no problem, right? So you have to remember what the major is at.
5 4
Augmented
5 5
minor.
4 plus 5 4 plus 4.
Okay, let me ask you. Major
5 plus 4.
okay. Minor. Switch. Major is 5 4. Minor is a switch. What is that?
4 plus 5.
Yes. Augmented.
5 plus 5.
Diminished.
4 plus 4.
Yeah. As long as you remember this one and do carefully, there's no question about that. Okay. This one, this got inversion. I'm not sure that you will learn it before or not. So D major, can you write down D major chords for me? What do it look like there? It's a 5 4. Okay. Okay. We learned before. If you learned before, huh? Okay, just switch. If you learned before, do you know how to switch? Good. Understand that? The first one cannot get wrong. If it's wrong, everything wrong, right? This one, do you understand what the root means? Okay, what should do? You move everything becomes space, 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 or line, line, line. Then you find the root easily. Okay, tell me, how did you? You move this one, you have two space one. You need to move this one to the become space one too.
Space.
Yeah. See, this is some has a line, some has space, right? Move everything to the same way. All space, also a line, either way. No. You got it? You better do this one. Move down first. Then you can see easily. Okay? Don't be lazy that way. You understand that? Okay. So same thing. This one move up because all the space by space, right? So what the root is it?
8.
Okay. This one, first one, this inversion, right? But don't go to inversion immediately. Get it right down D minor first. Okay, you write D minor? Okay, then you have to invert it. If D minor in the bottom called root, right? F in the bottom got what they call, which inversion is it?
Inversion.
First inversion. Then A in the bottom.
Second.
So now which note is supposed in the bottom? Which one? Which one should be put in the bottom? Okay, can you rewrite? Put A here, right? Then everything need above. easy. Yes, good. You understand it? So if the root one, you don't have to do that. If it's not root one, just write original first, then invert it. Okay, don't go to invert it immediately. We get a mistake. And then make sure it doesn't ask minor or major. It's a 5-4 or 4-5 in first one. Okay, those step by step. And this one, same thing. Move to the root. Then tell what the root is.
F.
Okay, what kind of inversion is it?
First.
Yes, you understand it? Okay, pretty good. Now, do you really understand it? Just need to be very careful.